amazing, Arabella, and today is the day I try out another Fablab kit. So the one I'm going to be doing today is the one at the top here, which is Invent a Scent Perfume Kit. And this kit is all about creating a perfume to match your personality, which is actually very interesting. I can say I've never done this before, and this is going to be the first time, but it's something new to try, which sounds incredible. So we're going to be trying to do that today, but before we do, let me tell you guys what's inside the box. So if we turn it around, you can see a few of the things here. So inside we have 5 fragrances, which I'm guessing smell amazing. And we also have 5 plastic pipettes. We have 4 gift bottles, 1 sheet of self-adhesive label, 1 pair of laboratory gloves, and last but not least, 1 12-page color instruction manual. If you guys have done science before, you know when pipettes get involved, it's getting kind of serious. And we also have gloves too. So this is kind of sciencey, which I love so much. I love doing science. It's probably the coolest thing in the world. If you guys have never done science before, then I don't know what you're doing. Experiments are the funnest thing ever. So we're going to try this out now and let's see how it goes. So I've opened it up and the first thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves. So I'm going to have to take my rings off. So let me do that first. So now we've got our gloves on, we can get started and start creating our perfume blend. So we have our 5 options here that we can start mixing with, and we have our pipettes and our little pots here. So the different fragrances we have are musk, green, fruity, citrus and pink flower. And I'm really feeling to go with the pink flower one, the fruity one and the musk one, only because they're all my favourite colours and why not? So pink flower does sound really nice though, so let me open this up and actually smell it and tell you guys what it's like. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, that actually smells like flowers. It's actually beautiful. Okay, we're definitely using that one. Let's see what fruity smells like. It literally just smells like fruits. It smells like when you've mixed up your fruit salad, and that smell is amazing. The next one I'm going to be using is musk. So let's take a sniff of this one. And I'm not actually sure what this one's going to smell like. Oh, this one's kind of a deep smell, but I'm liking it, I'm not sure if it's going to go well with the fruity and pink flower smell. So maybe we can add that to another one. But for fun, let's just test out the citrus and the green smell. So first citrus. Oh, that smells, I know what that smells like. That smells like lemon and lime. That's what that one smells like to me. And green, let's see what that one smells like. I'm feeling it's going to smell like apples for some reason. Oh, okay, that definitely doesn't smell like apples. That smells like grass. That's what my dog smells like when she comes in from a run. But that's actually a really nice smell. I'm not going to lie, it sounds weird, but it does smell nice. So I think in my first blend, I'm going to use fruity and pink flower. And then I'm going to see what I'm going to use in my next ones after. So let me open up that pot there. We've got my pipette already. So let's do this. Okay guys, so I've added 4 drops of fruity and 4 drops of pink flower. And it kind of seems like there's nothing in there, but the smell is so strong. And I can't lie, it does smell good. It's really strong though, even though it's only a little bit. But I think we're going to have to add something else in there just to give it that little kick. And I'm deciding whether I should do green or citrus, because I feel like those ones will just wow it up instantly. So, green or citrus, maybe green. I think green. I think we're going to go with green. So let's do this now, and I think we're going to add 4 drops again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now let's take a little sniff. Definitely right, that made a huge difference, but I think we're gonna have to add more pink flower because that one smells incredible and I really love it. So let's add, I think, about 3 more drops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe 4, just because we're feeling special. And let's see. Okay, this is smelling really good. I wish you guys could smell this. It's amazing. Okay, so I've added 8 fruity, I've added 8 pink flower, and I've added 4 green. When you guys are testing it, you can use your test sheet, which you should also write how many drops of everything you put in and what you put in on the test sheet so you guys know. So I'm going to get one ready now and we're going to test it and see what it's like. So I think I'm gonna have to change my dream job to making perfumes. Guys, this smells amazing. I'm actually so proud of myself. I'm pretty good at this, but I've smelt my tester and I love it so much. But I think I'm gonna have to make another one as well, just because I'm feeling like it. Okay guys, so now I've made 2. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. But once you've done, you can add your little sticker on your perfume bottle. So I'm gonna add 2 onto my 2 that I have made. So we got this one here, so let's wrap this round. These are actually super cute as well. Check this out, guys. There you guys have it. That was the last and final instructions making your Fablab perfumes, and I have to say I think I did a pretty amazing job, and the one with citrus has to be my favorite. I did think I was gonna like the other one more, but I ended up liking this one. But if you guys do decide to make your own, make sure you let me know what you put in it. I do recommend putting citrus in it because it smells amazing. But you guys can get your own kits. Check out the link down below if you do want to get yours, and I'll see you guys later. So bye.